Hello and welcome to a Noritake tutorial video. In this video, we're going to use the GTOP Screen Designer tool to create a sample design and preview that design on our connected GTCP module. So following from part 3, we have the lighthouse.jpg image still, and we're going to use this image in our screen design. So starting from memory tool, we're going to transfer over to the screen designer. Go to File and Exit Memory tool to do so. And during the transition, the tool will pass along the images that we have in our memory tree. So right now we only have one image and it's loaded into Designer. So hit OK. The screen design area is the checkerboard patterned rectangle in the middle of the window. And on the right here, these buttons represent each element that we can add to this design. So first we'll go to Image ROM, and you see that our cursor is changed to a cross. I'll click and drag a rectangle and release, and it pops up this FROM2 image selection window. And all we have from FROM2 is the lighthouse.jpg image. So we'll hit OK, and the lighthouse image appears, and we can select it and move it around, and also crop it if we adjust the sides of the image. And this blue blinking outline means that this element is selected, and this is true for all elements. So next we'll choose an image file from our PC. So again, we'll click and drag and release, and now we're greeted with a open dialog box. I'll choose the penguins image, and you can choose any image on your PC. I'll hit open, and the penguins image pops up. Next, we'll draw a box around the penguins image. You click and drag and release, and I'll choose an orange outline, and we have an orange box. Next, we'll draw a line that goes across the entire screen. We'll make that line a light green. Next, we'll create a user window, which is essentially a text box. So again, click and drag and release. We'll choose the text color. I'll choose black, and I'll write in here, Lighthouse. And this text will appear when I hit OK. Now I have white text with a black background. That is actually the reversed setting of what we initially chose, because we chose black text. So if I undo the reverse, we have black text and a white background, and I hit reverse again, and we have white text and a black background. And this setting will look nicer on the display because the display already has a black background. And last, we will add a switch to our screen. I'm going to add the switch over the penguin image. Same thing, click and drag and release. And I'll make this orange as well to match the rectangle. The resulting switch is only visible on the screen designer. When this is sent to the module, the transparent orange box will not be seen. This is useful in the designer so you know where all of your switches are. So now that we have all of our elements on the screen, let's hit preview, and everything should show up on the module. Now the lighthouse has not shown up, so that means we need to adjust the lighthouse just a little bit for the text to actually come through. Let's preview it again. And there we go. We needed a slight adjustment. So lastly, I'll hit the Read Touch button, and this will open a touch monitor where we can test out our touch switch. So I'll come over here with my finger and touch and release, and touch and release. And we can confirm that this touch switch actually works. And this touch information is coming directly from the module to the PC. Thanks for watching.